Today we have an unboxing to do. This is from Big J and Boston Blade's live show. Singing Toad was the winner of a giveaway. And since he's in Canada, there are certain knives and certain things that you can't ship across the border anymore due to their laws. So he was kind enough to say to send a package to me. So I don't know what's in here yet. I haven't opened this. All I've done is remove the address label from the box so we don't show anybody's personal information. So for the unboxing today, we're going to use an Ohio River jack. Okay, we've got some swag. I recognize this. This is from Sticker Mule. North Star Knife Reviews. I didn't have one of his stickers, so that's really nice. A Big J sticker and a Jersey Knife Guy sticker. Maybe I can get this stuff in frame. Of course, Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Let's see what we have here. What's this? Ozark Trail 7-inch folding knife. I believe I saw Georgia Adventurer do a review on this. Or he went and he picked one up. Let's check it out. And I did look in my local Walmart and they didn't have these. So this will be nice. Get to check out and see what some of these lower price knives are like. Because you can do pretty good even with a lower price knife. Everything you have doesn't have to be expensive. It's good to have some lower end stuff. Okay, I like that. That's kind of a sheep's foot blade. This will be a good utility knife. Spring assisted. Have a lock right here. Let's see the action on it. It's not too bad. Not bad at all for a lower price knife. What I like about some of these lower price knives is these are great knives to carry when you have some rough stuff to do or when you're doing things where a knife might get lost. For example, if you're out on the boat fishing, or here we have some adventure ministries at the college I work at, so we do whitewater rafting, and this would be a good knife to take for that because if it does end up getting lost, it's not the end of the world. Let's see if we can tell what kind of steel it's made out of. Okay, stainless steel handle, stainless steel blade, spring assisted opening. Three-inch blade. There's no further information on the package. Of course, for any of these knives, they're going to be made in China. Yeah, I don't know what the steel is. It doesn't say. I'll get a little bit of an idea once I try and sharpen it and see how it feels on stones and see what the edge retention is like. But it's a good looking knife and it'll serve well. It'll be a great little utility knife. And like I said, especially when you're doing things where you would be in danger of losing the knife or doing damage to the knife. So this will get some use. Okay, let's leave that out. Let's see what else we have. Okay, we have a wallet. Travax Summit wallet. I've never used this style of wallet before. What I've done is spent quite a bit of time, and I've developed my own leather wallet. Which it holds quite a bit of stuff. I put cash in the back, and I use cards as dividers. So this Fresnel lens is the divider between my cash compartment, and this actually doesn't belong in here at all. So far this has been the best wallet that I have ever carried. But like I said, I've never tried this style. So I'll be curious to give this a try and see how it works. This is very nice. Okay, and there's one more item in here. What is this? It's a box. Very good chance it would be a knife. A Rough Rider. RR 2267. It's in Yellow Delrin. This looks pretty nice. Is that a quick look? It's not centered badly. This blade is just very slightly off. This one is really good. So let's see what this is. Got a beautiful clip blade. And a little bit larger, more stout clip blade. This is quite nice. Nice skinny blade for fine work. And a more heavy duty blade. Let me take a closer look, see if one of these blades says a steel. Okay, here we have it. 440 razor sharp steel. So that's Rough Rider standard steel, and it's not too bad. I think I'm going to carry this weekend. Let's take a look at the fit and finish. Little bit by this cover, little gap there, but in the springs and the liners, everything looks really nice. It's terminated nicely. Like I said, the blades are nicely centered. It looks even a little bit better now that I've opened and closed it a couple times. That's almost perfect. I mean, how much better could you want than that in a traditional knife? Especially in a knife that's not a really high-priced knife. This is beautiful. I'm going to carry this thing this weekend. Okay, I have this slip right here that I made. And let's see how this fits in there. I think I'll carry it in this slip this weekend. Probably give it a sharpening, and we'll see how it does. It's a very nice knife. So what this means is, since I'll be carrying a knife with a clip point as my traditional, because I always carry a modern folder plus a traditional, I'll have to carry a modern folder that is not a clip point, I'll have to carry one in some elder blade style. That way I have at least 2 different blade styles. Something like this Ohio River Jack would provide a different blade style, but this is a modern traditional. This isn't a modern knife. I want a modern knife like this Spider Co that's here. So I'll have to decide what modern knife I want to carry with this. I have been carrying the Vosteed Nightshade, but I'll pick another knife with this because here you have 2 clip points that have a little bit of belly, so on the modern knife I don't have to have belly. I could carry a Tanto. Maybe that's what I'll do, is carry a Tanto along with this. So I'd just like to give a big shout out and a big thanks to Big J's Knives, Boston Blades, and Singing Toad for passing this along to me. Big thanks to them. We'll see you on the next one.